If your Telegram account has been hacked or someone else is logged in, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you how to recover your Telegram account step by step and make sure the hacker gets signed out right away. This process is quick, simple, and if you follow it carefully, you can secure your account in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes and account recovery guides. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. On the welcome screen, select your country from the list so Telegram can recognize your number correctly. Next, enter the phone number that is connected to your Telegram account. Make sure you type it carefully because Telegram will send a login code to that number. Once you enter your number, wait for the verification code to arrive. Now check your phone for the code Telegram sent you. This may come through SMS or directly inside Telegram on another device if you still have access somewhere. Enter that verification code into the app to log back into your account. If the code is correct, Telegram will allow you back in and take you straight to your account. Once you are logged in, the most important step is to remove any unauthorized devices that may still be connected. To do that, tap on Settings. Then go to Privacy and Security. In that section, look for Active Sessions. This area shows every device that is currently signed in to your Telegram account. Carefully review the list of devices. If you see a device that you do not recognize, that could be the hacker's session. Instead of removing one device at a time, Telegram gives you a faster option. Tap Terminate, All Other Sessions. This will sign your account out from every other device except the one you are currently using. This step is very important because even after you regain access, someone else may still be connected, unless you manually end those sessions. By terminating all other sessions, you force the hacker's device to log out immediately and regain control of your account. After that, it's a good idea to double-check your account security settings, update your two-step verification if you use it, and make sure your phone number and recovery details are still correct. The faster you do this, the better protected your Telegram account will be. And that's it. You've recovered your hacked Telegram account and logged out any unauthorized devices. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial.